for ring number 1. Next match, 14 to 17 years old, 57 kilograms above double stick girls. Championship match between Jaisal Bea Sarapia of AGC Red versus Isabella of WHQ Blue.
Okay, court number 3, we have a winner by split decision. Red, Pao Paduhilaw of Hinigaran Artist Team. Okay. Okay. Court number 3, winner by default, Red.
Next out, Shekinah Lozano versus Angel Galio. Here's round 2. Last 5 seconds. Time.
Okay, on deck, court number 3, 11 to 13 years old, about 30 kilogram ballistic.
Next bout, Shane Balagunsa versus Micaela Dagudo. Please prepare on deck. Hermione Feliza Filmanto of ADC Ormoc versus Margaret Lungake of Alpha. On deck, Hermione Filmanto of ADC Ormoc versus Margaret Lungake of Alpha.
Okay, on deck, court number 3, Christian Asinsi of ADC Ormoc, Zeke Rapino of TFK. Court number 3, on deck, Christian Asinsi of ADC Ormoc and Zeke Rapino of TFK.
Next match for ring number 1, 14 to 17 years old, 57 kilograms above double stick championship match between Jaisal Bea Sarapia of EGC Red versus Isabella of WHQ. Ano yung kaya ko si Amay?
Ken Fernandez of Laguna versus Margaret Florentino of Lama, court number 3. Red! Ano pangalan?
Please prepare. Nicole Pidrigal of Sinlac Loon versus Chanel Bolves of Hinigaran. Please prepare.
Lama, Florentino, Margaret Florentino.
Altea
Court number 3.
Oriel Alexa Jano versus Shekinah Lozano. Please prepare on deck.
For ring number 1, we have a winner by split decision. Red